Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to connect ChatGPT to Canva absolutely free of cost. So follow the step by step tutorial. So firstly you have to go to your ChatGPT. So after coming into this ChatGPT you will get this option apps. So click on apps and here you will get this search option. So in the search option you have to write Canva and you will see like this. So click on Canva and connect. Sign in Canva. Allow. So authentication successful. So we have connect successful. So after you have to click on this symbol and here if you write at the rate Canva. So as you can see this I have successfully connected Canva with ChatGPT. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.